Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good today. Myself, Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. This is your textbook, Children, Marigold, book 3. So, children, open page number 34. So, today we will read the next poem of class 3rd English, unit number 4 and chapter number 7. So children, today we are going to start a poem and the name of the poem is Sea Song. The name of the poem is Sea Song. So children, first of all, tell me one thing, children. Have you ever collected shells? Yes? Have you ever visited a seashore or a beach? Have you ever seen a shell, children? Shell क्या है? Shell means sunk. Shell means sunk. So children, this poem is about a small boy. So who found a seashell one day. So one day he brings the shell to his mother and she makes him to listen the sweet sound that can be heard from the shell. Okay children, now let's recite poem. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised, I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Did you like? Yes. So children, I hope that most of you have visited a seashore or the beach, okay? And you must have seen a shell. आप सब लोग बीच पे गए होंगे, ठीक है ना, और आपने वहाँ पे शंख भी देखा होगा. Shell means शंख. So children, what is a shell? A shell is a hard protective outer layer created by an animal, okay? Created by an एनिमल दैट लिव्स इन द सी. जो शंख होता है उसको एक जानवर क्रिएट करता है जो कि वहाँ पे पानी में रहता है. ओके. सो चिल्ड्रन, द पोएम इज अबाउट ए शेल दैट सिंग्स. ओके. सो फर्स्ट स्टेंजा, आई फाउंड अ शेल, अ कर्ली वन, lying on the sand. So children, the child in this poem is saying that a curly shell he found lying on the sand. So one day he found a curly shell which is lying on the sand. So I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. So what he did, he picked that shell and he took it home. He bring it to home. So he was holding it in his hand and his hand was feeling cold because the shell is cold. Shell कैसा होता है? ठंडा होता है. और देखो, you can see curly कैसा होता है? गोल गोल ऐसे. ये क्या है? curly. The shape of this shell is curly. Okay. So one day he went to a seashore and he found a curly shell. वो एक बार सीशोर पे जाता है, वहाँ पे उसको एक करली शेप में एक शंख मिलता है, एक शेल मिलता है. तो वो उसको उठाता है और फिर उसको अपने घर ले जाता है. और जब वो घर ले जा रहा होता है तो उसको अपने वो हाथों में पकड़ के लेके जा रहा था, क्योंकि और जब वो हाथों में उसने रखा हुआ था तो उसको कैसा फील हो रहा था? कोल्ड, ठंडा फील हो रहा था. मम्मी लुक्ड एट इट एंड देन शी हेल्ड इट टू माई ईयर. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. So mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. So when he showed to his mom looked at the shell, and she held that shell near the ear of the poet. So the poet of this poem is child is telling na about a shell. So क्या होता है कि जो उसकी मम्मी होती है वो उसको देखती है शेल को, और फिर उसको जो पोइट होता है उसके कान के पास लगा देती है. देन व्हाट डिड ही हियर? एंड फ्रॉम द सेल देयर केम अ सॉन्ग, सॉफ्ट एंड स्वीट एंड क्लियर. So what did he hear, children? In this picture you can see his mom held the shell near the ear of the child. So he hear a song. He hear a song that a song was coming out of that cell. Okay. So inside the cell there was a song, a sweet song which was very soft, sweet and clear. So जब वो उसको कान के पास लगाता है तो उसको एक सॉन्ग सुनाई देता है जो कि बहुत ही सॉफ्ट होता है, स्वीट होता है और बहुत ही क्लियरली सुनाई दे रहा था. ओके. सो डिड यू लाइक 2 stanzas, children? Okay, last stanza we will read in our next video. Okay, so please read these 2 stanzas. Okay, thank you, children. Have a good day.